Picture this. Two people, same age, same career, same starting salary. Fast forward 20 years, one is financially free with a net worth of over $2 million, enjoying life on their own terms. The other? Still working paycheck to paycheck, stressed about money, and decades away from retirement. What made the difference? It wasn't luck. It wasn't inheritance. And surprisingly, it wasn't even a dramatically higher income. After nearly 2 decades as a financial consultant working with over 500 clients, from those with just a few $1,000s to those managing tens of millions of dollars millions, I've discovered that financial success comes down to understanding and applying 15 critical investment principles that most people never learn. These aren't complex strategies that require an economics degree. They're straightforward secrets that separate those who struggle financially from those who thrive. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on exactly what these principles are, how they work, and why so many people miss them until it's too late. The difference between financial freedom and financial stress isn't about how much you know. It's about what you actually do with that knowledge. So if you're ready to transform your financial future over the next 20 minutes, these 15 investment secrets are exactly what you need to hear. The gap between financial struggle and financial freedom isn't about knowledge, it's about action. I've seen it countless times in my career. Two people can have access to the exact same information, the same resources, the same opportunities, yet one builds lasting wealth while the other remains stuck in a cycle of financial anxiety. What makes the difference? It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's about understanding and implementing these 15 critical principles that I'm about to share with you. What makes these investment secrets so powerful isn't just that they can help you accumulate wealth, though they absolutely will. The true power is that they create something far more valuable: peace of mind. Because real financial freedom isn't about having a certain dollar amount in your account. It's about creating a system that works for you even when you're not working, that grows even when the economy isn't, and that provides security even when the world feels uncertain. I've watched these principles transform the lives of hundreds of clients, from recent graduates with student loan debt to executives managing 7-figure portfolios. And today, I'm going to walk you through each one, showing you exactly how to apply them to your own financial journey, regardless of where you're starting from. These aren't temporary tactics or get-rich-quick schemes. They're the foundational strategies that create lasting financial success, the kind that builds over decades and lasts for generations. If you're ready to transform your financial future in the next 20 minutes, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into the 15 investment secrets that will change everything. Secret number 1. The Wealth Peace Portfolio. Meet Tom and Sarah, both successful professionals with similar incomes and $500,000 portfolios. Tom constantly checks his investments, loses sleep during market dips, and lives in financial anxiety. Sarah? She checks quarterly, sleeps soundly through volatility, and exudes confidence. The difference? Their portfolio structure. The ideal wealth-building portfolio follows a simple 80-20 formula: 80 to 90% in low-fee ETFs or mutual funds, and just 10 to 20% in individual stocks. This approach gives you market growth without the stress of picking winners. For more conservative investors, especially near retirement, allocate some to bonds from your stock portion. The wealthiest, most mentally stable clients I've worked with almost universally follow this approach. Secret number 2. The tax time bomb. Here's the retirement secret nobody talks about. Taxes can devastate your wealth more than market crashes. When you hit 73, traditional retirement accounts force required minimum distributions, even if you don't need the money. Imagine this: you receive $60,000 annually from Social Security and only need $12,000 from your portfolio. But the IRS requires you to withdraw $30,000, pushing you into a higher tax bracket unnecessarily. Enter the Roth IRA. You pay taxes on money going in, but it grows completely tax-free, with no required withdrawals after 59.5. I helped one couple save $180,000 in lifetime taxes through strategic Roth conversions. The earlier you plan, the more tax control you'll have. Secret number 3. The investment threshold. If you're investing less than $200 monthly, something needs to change. This investment threshold is the minimum needed for meaningful wealth. At $200 per month, you'll have roughly $254,000 after 25 years, assuming 10.5% S&P returns. Sounds decent, right? But bump that to $500 a month, just $75 more weekly, and you'll reach $636,000. That's an extra $382,000 from finding just $75 weekly. Two paths forward: optimize your budget or expand your income. Examine 3 months of statements to find what's stealing your future. If you've cut expenses to the bone, increase your income through a better position, raise, or side hustle. The danger? Lifestyle creep. When extra income fuels spending rather than investing. That new $75 a week could transform your financial future or disappear into forgettable purchases. Choose wisely. Secret number 4. The eighth wonder of the world. Einstein reportedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's your money making money, which then makes more money, creating an exponential growth curve over time. What makes compounding truly magical isn't the percentages, but the time. A 25-year-old investing $400 monthly will have substantially more at retirement than someone starting at 35 who invests $800 monthly, despite contributing the same total amount. I've watched 2 siblings with identical investment strategies end up with dramatically different results. The one who started 5 years earlier had nearly double the wealth. Compounding isn't just mathematical, it's a mindset that values patience over immediate gratification. Secret number 5. The financial force field. The surest way to sabotage compounding? Being forced to withdraw investments during emergencies. This brings us to the financial force field, your emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account separate from your checking and investment accounts. Start with 1 month, then build up gradually while investing simultaneously. This isn't exciting, it won't make you rich directly, but it protects your wealth-building strategy. Without this safety net, your investments become your emergency fund, disrupting compound growth exactly when you need it most. One client lost his job during a market downturn and had to sell investments at a 30% loss. Another in the same situation relied on her emergency fund, kept her investments untouched, and caught the full recovery. 5 years later, the difference in their portfolios was over $120,000. Secret number 6. The boring millionaire effect. True wealth isn't built through excitement, it's built through consistency. The most financially successful people I know are the most boring investors. Consider this observation from legendary investor Howard Marks. Day traders consider themselves successful if they bought at $10, sold at $11, bought back at $24, sold at $25, bought at $39, and sold at $40. They made $3 in a stock that appreciated by $30. The flashiest investors rarely have the most impressive portfolios. They're too busy chasing action to let their money work for them. My clients with 8-figure portfolios aren't constantly trading. They're steadily acquiring quality assets and giving them time to grow. Embrace boring. Boring is profitable. Secret number 7. The shiny object syndrome. We're all susceptible to the allure of the next big thing: crypto, AI stocks, or whatever's trending. The problem? Investments that can rise 15% in a week can drop 30% just as quickly. This shiny object syndrome is amplified by social media, where everyone shares winners but hides losers. Remember, sustainable wealth isn't built on lucky gambles, but consistent strategy. I've seen clients abandon solid plans to chase trends, only to return months later with significant losses. The antidote? Focus on fundamentals, not fads. Secret number 8. The market drop opportunity. Most investors fear market crashes. The wealthy anticipate them like sales at their favorite store. Would you rather buy Microsoft at $450 or $350? Quality companies at discount prices are opportunities, not threats. Every major market correction in history has eventually recovered and reached new highs. During the 2020 pandemic crash, One client panicked and sold everything. Another doubled her monthly investments. By 2022, the difference in their results was staggering. Market drops aren't just survivable. For long-term investors, they're profitable. Secret number 9. The market emotion paradox. The market isn't rational, it's emotional. Daily fluctuations often reflect fear, exuberance, or speculation rather than fundamental value. Presidential comments, CEO announcements, or global events can trigger massive movements unrelated to actual business performance. This unpredictability is why short-term market timing consistently fails. The solution is perspective. If your timeline is 5+ years, daily or even monthly movements become irrelevant. Zoom out to yearly charts. This isn't just a visualization trick, it's aligning your perspective with your actual investment time frame. Secret number 10. The young investor's advantage. If you're under 30, this might be the most valuable secret of all. Buying a house young is a financial cheat code few utilize. In college, I paid nearly mortgage equivalent amounts for a tiny dorm room. Had I bought a house instead and found roommates, they would have paid down my mortgage while I lived essentially for free. Meanwhile, the property would appreciate and build equity. That single decision, made at 18 or 20, could have doubled or tripled my current net worth. The cash flow from roommates would have freed up money for additional investments, creating a powerful wealth-building loop at an age when most people are just starting to think about finances. Parents, aunts, uncles, share this with the young people in your life. This opportunity has an expiration date. Secret number 11. The cash trap. Holding cash long-term because you fear the market isn't conservative. It's guaranteed loss. Inflation steadily erodes purchasing power at 2 to 7% annually. That $20 that once bought a bag of groceries now barely covers a few items. Your $100,000 in safe cash will likely have the purchasing power of $70,000 in 10 years. You're not preserving wealth. You're willingly watching it disappear. Inflation is a silent tax on the uninvested. You can't save your way to wealth. You must invest. Secret number 12. The small start. Snowball. I'll start investing when I make more money is perhaps the most expensive lie we tell ourselves. I believed $50 monthly wasn't worth investing when I was 16. That decision cost me tens of thousands. As careers progress, responsibilities and expenses often increase proportionally with income. If you can't prioritize investing with a small income, you likely won't with a larger one either. Automate 10% of your income to investments immediately. You'll adjust to living on the remainder quickly, and that small, consistent amount will grow beyond what most people imagine possible. Secret number 13. The inner circle impact. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, financially as well as in other areas. If your circle constantly showcases consumption rather than construction of wealth, you'll struggle to think differently. I've watched clients transform their financial trajectories simply by changing their financial community. Join investment groups, follow wealth-building content creators, attend workshops, surround yourself with people moving in the direction you want to go. Your environment shapes your decisions more than willpower ever could. Secret number 14. The media noise filter. Financial media thrives on drama, not accuracy. Every day brings new predictions of crashes, booms, and must-make moves. Following this noise is the fastest way to sabotage sound strategy. The biggest regret I've heard from hundreds of clients? Withdrawing investments based on frightening headlines or crash predictions. From the 2008 financial crisis to COVID-19 to recent concerns about tariffs, those who stayed invested through the noise consistently outperformed those who tried to time exits and entries. Develop a media noise filter. Limit financial news consumption to weekly rather than daily, and focus on long-term trends rather than short-term fluctuations. Secret number 15. The good enough principle. Perfectionism kills wealth creation. Too many people postpone investing until they found the perfect portfolio allocation, the ideal ETF mix, or the optimal entry point. While searching for that elusive 13% return instead of accepting a solid 12%, they miss years of growth. The investor who started with a good enough plan 5 years ago has substantial gains, while the perfectionist is still tweaking spreadsheets with a 0% return. Start with good fundamentals: low-fee funds, proper diversification, and regular contributions. Refinement can come later, but nothing outperforms simply getting started. These 15 secrets aren't complicated, but they're transformative when applied consistently. The people I've watched achieve true financial freedom aren't financial geniuses. They're ordinary people who understood and implemented these principles year after year. The next decade of your financial life begins today. Which of these secrets will you implement first? The gap between financial struggle and financial freedom isn't knowledge, it's action. What action will you take right now? If these investment secrets resonated with you, don't let this be just another video you watch and forget. Take action now by hitting that subscribe button so you never miss the practical financial strategies I share each week. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 15 secrets you're implementing first. I personally respond to comments and would love to help you on your financial journey. And if you found value in today's video, smash that like button to help the algorithm share these wealth-building principles with others who need them. Your financial future is too important to leave to chance. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and join our community of smart investors who are building real wealth one principle at a time.